Let me tell you top 5 driving habits that ruin your diesel engine, that can cause damage to your diesel engine. Number 1 is revving the engine when cold. When your diesel engine is cold, you don't rev it up. Why? Because the oil has yet to circulate around the engine. And why is it bad? Because cold oil is thick and it cannot lubricate properly. So by the time you rev, it's going to cause premature wear to piston, to your crankshaft, to your turbocharger bearing. So what is the good habit? You need to allow the engine to idle for 30 to 60 seconds before driving gently. That is number 1. And what is number 2? Ignoring turbo cool down time. It is very essential for you to pay attention to your turbo cool down time. When you turn off your engine immediately after hard drive, I mean, when you have gone to highway runs or you use it for towing, it's a silent killer of your diesel engine. Why is it bad? Because the turbo is extremely hot because it has worked a lot. When you shut it down immediately, it means you prevent oil to go around the turbo to cool it down, and that will now cause burnt oil deposit inside the turbo because the oil has not go down from the turbo. So it is a bad habit. What is the good habit that you should do? You allow the engine to idle between 1 to 2 minutes before you shut down the engine in order for the turbo to be safe. And what is number 3 is short trips and frequent stop and go driving. Your diesel engine hates this. Your diesel engine wants long drive, steady runs. Short trips don't allow the engine to reach full operating temperature. And why is it bad? Because it causes carbon buildup, moisture in the oil, and also your DPF clutch. Because of that, you know what I mean by DPF, diesel particulate filter. So what is the good habit is that you take your diesel engine for occasional long drive, at least 30 minutes, to burn off soot and clean the DPL. This is going to prolong the life of your diesel engine. And what is number 4? Number 4 is overloading and aggressive towing. Don't overload your car. Consistently hauling load beyond the truck rating is straining the engine, and when the engine is strained, it causes problem. Why? What problem and why is it bad? Overloading increases combustion pressure, it increases heat, it increases fuel consumption, weight causes damage to your piston, to your rod, to your bearing over time. So what is the good habit? You need to know the limit of your engine and don't stress the engine beyond this limit. And what is number 5 is ignoring maintenance and poor quality fuel. Please don't ignore maintenance of your car. Why is it bad? If you allow contaminated or low quality fuel, it's going to cause wear to your injector, going to wear your injection pump, dirty is going to clutch, and so on and so forth. So ensure that you have clean fuel, good fuel, and good maintenance habits. This is going to help you to have your diesel engine running for a very prolonged time. So you need to have maintenance schedule, especially for oil change, for filter, and for your fuel system servicing. I've mentioned the 5. Now let me give you this bonus. See, it's a secret. Don't tell anybody. Rather, tell them to watch the video. Don't idle too long. Don't idle too long. When you idle too long, it causes incomplete combustion, fuel dilution in oil, and also causes carbon buildup. All of these shorten the life of your diesel engine. I've mentioned 5 and 1 bonus for you. Have you liked this video. If not, press the like button, share and subscribe for more info like this. See you in another wonderful video. Thanks for watching.